Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidered dresses, beautiful, unique and never seen before styles of white color dresses for girls. All of these dresses are hand embroidery based and they are an exquisite and a delightful treat for the festive season like Eid is coming near. You can design your Eid dress by using this exact combination of colors and embroidery patterns. White is a color that looks amazingly beautiful, decent, delicate, and highly creative. This color is the head of decency, so I would recommend you to try these patterns. As you know, summers is at its full swing, so you can design your dresses with the help of deep v-neck, deep bot neck from front end and back end, and even you can design your dresses with sleeveless patterns as well. So if you are a vestie, you can design your shirts to pair up with your denim jeans as well. So different age group could be designed for making these dresses and you would look entirely amazing. White embroidery dress is a dress that would remain in fashion throughout the upcoming years, and in the back if we see, then its trend was also at its peak. So I would recommend you to try this pattern. You can use the fabric linen, cotton, soft organic cotton, lawn and other type of funky and seasonal colors. So I hope that the ideas, the creativities and the suggestions are very nice, and the whole entire collection is absolutely decent, and you can use the collection for your festive party wear occasions, and even you can also remain comfy throughout your whole day. You can make these patterns for your everyday wear dresses. Your lightweight, comfortable and highly designer paid dresses could be worn by exactly making these patterns. So guys, we try our best to share amazing, trendy and beautiful ideas with you, and this is the result of one of our smallest effort. So keep supporting us. If you really like, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and leave comments below my video. You can also subscribe from other devices to increase the number of YouTube friends and family members, because we need your support, and with your love we have reached at this level, and with your love and support we will continue to grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the new upcoming videos. Up till then, keep sharing my videos.